So good morning, Sir Silva. My name is Deneb Team Ladaran, a BSMT student from Canopus, third year. So today I'm going to tackle about the anchoring operations overview. So anchoring operation plays a crucial role in ensuring vessel stability, safety at sea. So in this presentation, I'm going to discuss the essential terminologies relevant to anchoring. And we're going to explore the various types of anchors used in maritime operations. So I'm going to outline the procedures to be followed and provide guidance on approaching anchorage areas. And we'll understand these key elements for effective anchoring operations and maintaining safety standards. So let's start. So terminologies related to anchoring. So first we have the scope of chain. This ratio of anchor chain length to water depth impact holding power. A higher scope enhanced stability. Second one is the cable stopper. So cable stopper is a vital device securing the anchor chain between the windlass and hawsepipe, reducing strain on equipment. The third one is the riding chain. This segment connects the anchor to the seabed, managing tension and securing the anchor's position. The fourth one is the hawsepipe. Hawsepipe is a metal conduit guiding the anchor chain from the deck to the ship's side, essential for smooth operation. And lastly is the windlass, a mechanical tool for hoisting or lowering the anchor, requiring regular maintenance for safety. Windlass is from the katong machine nga mag-guide sa chain para maubos og mosaka. And next is the different types of anchor. So first we have the stockless anchor. The most common type. It's easy to handle and stows well ideal for merchant ships. So this anchor is tackled last meeting. So this is typically used in vessels nowadays. So next is the stock anchor, featuring a crossbar for better grip in diverse seabed but bulkier and harder to store. So ginailisdan na ni siya nga karon nga panahon sa stockless anchor. Kaning mogamit lang sa stock anchor is kanang mga small bangka sa kanang mga local seas like mga fishing vessels sa ato sa atong mga lugar. So we have two new different anchors to tackle today. So we have the Danforth anchor, lightweight with high holding capacity, best suited for sandy, muddy seabeds, often used by smaller vessels. So below we have the picture of the Danforth anchor. So that's how Danforth anchor looks like. And the fourth one is the Pluff anchor, versatile for various seabed conditions, popular among offshore vessels. This is commonly used for yachts. So picture below is the Pluff anchor. So the assembly components, the key parts include anchors, shackles, stud link, chains, joining shackles, and the bitter end secured in the chain locker. So next is the safety procedures during anchoring. So ensuring safety during anchoring is crucial. Proper procedure must be followed to mitigate risk and protect everyone on board. This includes thorough inspection, clear communication, and adherence safety protocols. So first we have the toolbox meeting. So we have to start a meeting to ensure everyone understands role and responsibilities. And also equipment inspection. You have to check the windlass, the brakes, the cable stopper for operational integrity for safety of the crew on board. Third one is clear communication. This is important because we have to maintain the constant dialogue between crew on deck and those on the bridge. So clear communication. So we have to communicate clear because misunderstanding cause to troubles on board. So crew safety, this is important. We have to ensure the windlass area is free of personnel and everyone wears proper appropriate PPE. So we have to wear proper safety equipments during anchoring to prevent accidents, to prevent hazards during anchoring. So lastly is the brake testing. So you have to perform a brake check to ensure readiness before dropping the anchor. So we have to test about the brake before dropping the anchor to ensure safety. Next, so approaching an anchorage area. So first you have to receive instruction, follow directions from the officer or the master or for safe anchoring. Second is the reduce speed. We have to reduce speed at the vessel. We have to slow down before we approach the designated anchoring area to drop our anchor well. Third one is the sounding. Take depth readiness to check the adequate water depth and seabed type. Fourth one is position check. Use GPS or radar to confirm vessel's location and ensure accurate anchoring. And lastly, we have to prepare the anchor. We have to make it necessary adjustment to the anchor and chain before deployment. Dropping the anchor. First one is we have to control release. Lower the anchor slowly and steadily to maintain control during deployment. And second one is payout chain. Payout the anchor chain to predetermined scope as the anchor settles. Third one is monitor bearings. Keep track of vessel's movement to ensure it's not dragging. So this is important because when we maka-encounter tag dragging, it might cause maputol ang chain sa anchor, ma-drop anchor siya, or if naabay mga surrounding vessels maka-cause of collision. We have to monitor our bearings. We have to keep track of our vessel's movement. Lastly, we have to secure the cable stopper once holding is confirmed. Secure the cable stopper to prevent accidental release. So in the word itself, so we have to secure the cable stopper to prevent accidental release. Weather and seabed consideration. Weather conditions. So in storm, increase the anchor chain length for greater holding power. So as we've tackled last week, the longer length, the stronger it holds. Seabed selection. Choose anchorage spot based on seabed type with mud and sand offering better holding capabilities. So swinging room. Always plan for adequate space for vessel movement accounting for wind, tides, and currents. And lastly, the conclusion of anchoring operation. So we have to put it in our mind that effective vessel operation relies heavily on thorough understanding of anchor procedures, terminology, and safety protocols. Proper training and open communication are critical in minimizing risk and enhancing safety anchoring operations at sea. So we've tackled the understanding the procedures, the terminology, and the safety protocols. So thank you.